The evaporator fan motor is controlled by a relay that's energized and de-energized by the thermostat, which can be set to either the on position or the auto position. When the fan switch is set in the on position, the fan will operate continuously. When set in the auto position, the fan will cycle on and off with the compressor. The wiring diagram of the fan circuit can be seen here. If the fan fails to operate when the thermostat is set in the on position, the first thing you should check is the voltage at the transformer secondary. If there's no voltage at the transformer secondary winding, the voltage at the primary should be checked. A reading of line voltage at the primary indicates that the transformer is defective. A reading of 0 volts at the primary indicates that the transformer is not being supplied power and the power circuit needs to be checked. If voltage is present at the transformer secondary winding, checking the voltage at the coil of the relay is a good next step. If there's no voltage at the coil of the relay, you should take a voltage reading between terminals R and G on the terminal board. A reading of 0 volts indicates that the fan circuit is closed through the thermostat, while a reading of 24 volts indicates that the thermostat is not functioning properly. Checking the fan circuit can also be accomplished by placing a jumper wire between the R and G terminals at the low voltage terminal strip or at the thermostat subbase. If there's 24 volts at the relay coil and the fan motor is not operating, the coil of the relay should be checked with an ohm meter. If there is no continuity through the coil, the relay is defective and needs to be replaced. If there is continuity through the coil, the motor itself needs to be checked. If there is voltage being supplied to the motor, the problem lies within the motor. The problem can be within the windings themselves, or it can be the result of internal mechanical failure. If voltage is not reaching the motor, a voltage reading should be taken across the relay contacts. A reading of 0 volts indicates that the contacts are closed, while a reading of line voltage indicates that the contacts are in the open position and the relay needs to be replaced.